is Adriana Zuniga. I am a scientist at the Udall Center for Studies in Public Policy, and the Cienega Watershed Partnership reached out to us to help them collect data that can measure the state of the health of the Cienega watershed. The partnership first reached out to us in 2015 to help them narrow down a list of indicators to try to measure the health of the watershed. Trying to determine the health of a watershed is very, very tricky. That's why we are doing this participatory process to involve many stakeholders. So what we're doing is trying to compile all these efforts into several types of indicators. We measure the climate, water, ecological, sociocultural, that together they can inform us of a state of the health of the watershed. This watershed contains one of the 5 rarest habitats in the American Southwest. For example, marshlands, the Cienegas, that's where the name comes from. But also we have forests, cottonwood and willow forest in the riparian areas. We have mesquite bosques, and we also have grasslands, the Sacaton grasslands and the semi-desert grasslands. It's one of the last perennial creeks, like actually have water in this area, and the water there provides habitat for many endangered and threatened species. So the ecosystem services depend on these habitats being maintained. It also has historical importance in terms of ranching operations. It's also a destination for recreational activities for many visitors to go there and recreate. But the most important reason why this watershed is important, because it provides clean water through these ecosystem services, clean water to the city of Tucson. For this year, we have been working on incorporating the feedback from stakeholders, refining some indicators, and then interpreting the results of that data and what does that mean for management actions.